Our instant index tonight, the big wedding announcement tabloids have been waiting to hear. Today, Hollywood super couple Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie announced they were secretly married in France last weekend. The private ceremony held at their estate, all 6 of their children taking part. After 9 years together and an end to the wedding questions, if you need confirmation, today Pitt was spotted wearing his new wedding ring on the set of his latest movie. Next, a mystery in the sky above Pennsylvania has some people believing in UFOs. Take a look at this. A woman in Harrisburg broke out her camera phone when she saw these strange lights flying overhead. First, she thought it was a plane, but it didn't seem to move and started changing colors. She called police, and even they were baffled. Skeptics call it a hoax, but for her and others, seeing is believing. And you won't believe what you're seeing with this panda in China. According to China's state news agency, handlers were thrilled when Ai Hin started showing signs of pregnancy. But it turns out she may have been faking it. The clever bear apparently scammed her handlers into giving her more attention, a single room with air conditioning, and more buns, fruits, and bamboo.